Hey class of 2024, welcome to Furman.
We know you're gonna love it. We wish we were back in your shoes. Go Dins!
Hi, incoming class of 2024. We are so excited to have you guys on campus. Getting a new batch of students is always super fun. We're excited to celebrate with you and give you the best freshman year you can have.
Hey class of 2024, welcome to the Furman fam. You're gonna love walking around campus on a warm, beautiful day.
Hey class of 2024, welcome to Furman. We're so excited to have you here. My favorite spot on campus is the Furman Golf Course. Be sure to check it out. Students play for free 4 days a week.
Hello, class of 2024. Welcome to Furman. I am so excited to meet you all in the fall, and if you are anything like me and you love eating breakfast for dinner, then you are going to love eating in our dining hall, which offers the waffle station at all times of the day.
Hey guys, welcome to the class of 2024. That is so exciting, and we're thrilled you guys are going to be joining us and be on campus in just a bit. You are going to love it, the pretty views, the great places, but most of all, just the sense of community. So can't wait to have you guys join us.
Welcome class of 2024, you are gonna love cheering on the Dens.
Welcome class of 2024. One of my favorite things about Furman is the breakfast options. I mean, you get delicious bacon, omelets, and an all-day, everyday cereal and waffle bar. Yeah, you heard that right.
Hi class of 2024, your 4-year experience is about to begin and I know you're gonna absolutely love it. I can't wait to see you on campus in the fall and maybe grab a meal sometime. But until then, see you soon.
Hello class of 2024 and congratulations on committing to Furman. When I was a prospective student, I know I was looking for a school that people were proud to graduate from. And now I can tell you I'm a proud graduate of Furman. I'm excited for you, for all the adventures you're gonna have, the conversations you have in the dining hall, the walks by the lake, the professors you'll connect with, the study abroad adventures, whatever awaits you, it's gonna be great. You are gonna look back on these years and treasure them, and hopefully they are going to make you into a better person, into a person you're proud to be, and you'll be a proud graduate just like me. Congrats, and get so excited because it's gonna be great. See ya!